If you are looking for a free AI voice changer for gaming, online chatting, or streaming, keep watching. In today's video,
I'm excited to show you how to use HitPaw VoicePea for free.
You might remember it as HitPaw Voice Changer.
I'll walk you through the steps to access and use the voices available in HitPaw VoicePea without spending a dime.
Now let's dive in. First, let's download and install HitPaw VoicePea. I'll put the download link in the description so you can grab the latest version. Once you launch it, you'll enter the real-time voice interface. Log into your HitPaw ID, or if you don't have one yet, just sign in with Google or create a new account. After logging in, close the interface and tap on Task Center to start earning free voices. There are daily tasks and basic tasks. Each completed task earns you credits. Once you've gathered enough credits, head to the credits mall to exchange them for AI voices. Choose the voice you want, tap on Redeem, and you can start using the voice changer in real time for free.
Hey, welcome to HitPaw channel and listen to today's radio. Now, you can rock that radio demon voice on Discord, in games, and even during your streams. Enjoy your new radio demon persona.
And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you run into any issues while using the software, drop a comment below. Thanks a bunch for watching.